Welcome to Hasselt University, a dynamic and international university in the heart of Europe. Thinking about applying for one of our English taught master programs? Great choice! In this video, we will guide you through the application process step by step so you know exactly what to do and when. Before you start your application, there are a few things you should check first. Take some time to explore the English master programs we offer and decide which one suits you best. Once you've chosen a program, make sure you meet the admission requirements. You will need at least a relevant bachelor degree and a proof of English language proficiency. Don't forget to check the tuition fee and study cost. If everything checks out, you're ready to apply. Applications open every November. Deadlines depend on your program and whether you are an EU or non-EU student. Pro tip, don't leave it to the last minute. Make sure your application is fully complete before the deadline. Mark your calendar, check your documents and get ready to submit your application.
Applying to Hasselt University is simple and happens in two clear steps. First, you submit your application online. Then, we verify your higher education documents. Both steps are essential and need to be completed before the application deadline. Let's take a closer look. You will apply through our student information system, simply called 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀, our online application portal. Create an account, log in, and fill in your details. Next, upload your documents, such as your diploma, transcript, proof of English proficiency, motivation letter, CV, and a copy of your ID. Depending on the program, you might be asked for a few extra documents, like a portfolio. Once everything is uploaded and double-checked, hit submit. Nice work! Step 1 is done. To ensure your documents are authentic, they need to be officially verified. There are 3 easy ways to do this: by sending certified hard copies by post, through email verification sent directly by your previous institution, or digitally using a QR code or official verification link. You will find detailed instructions on our website, and don't worry, you can follow the status of your application anytime in the online portal. Once both steps are completed, your application is ready for review. Curious what happens next? Let's find out! First, our admission team checks that your application is complete. Then it goes to the admission board, made up of experts in your field. They'll decide if you're admitted, conditionally admitted, or not admitted. As soon as a decision has been made, you'll get the result via email and in your portal.
If you're admitted, congratulations! Access the portal to download your letter of admission and any visa documents. Now, you can start preparing your move to our beautiful city. Before heading to Belgium, make sure to start your visa application, prepare financial proof if required, arrange housing, sign up for the orientation program, and once you arrive in Belgium, finalize your registration on campus. More information can be found on our website, so check it out. Plan ahead to have time to settle in before classes start. And that's it! You're all set to apply and start your journey in Hasselt University. For more tips and information, check out our website. Good luck, and we can't wait to welcome you to our beautiful city.